Are you tired of struggling to capture and convert leads with outdated marketing methods? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution that transforms the way you engage with your audience? Meet Videngager, your all-in-one video funnel creation platform designed to revolutionize your marketing strategy. Imagine launching high-converting video funnels that instantly attract your target audience. With videngager, you can create profit-pulling funnels that work around the clock, nurturing and monetizing leads without any manual effort. That means your marketing machine runs 24/7, generating sales even while you sleep. But here's where it gets even better. Every funnel you create offers a unique, personalized experience that builds trust with your potential customers and boosts your conversion rates. No more one-size-fits-all approaches. videngager tailors each interaction to suit the needs of your audience, making them feel valued and understood. And if you're worried about skyrocketing ad costs, videngager has you covered. It reveals 3 hidden zero-cost traffic sources, so you can say goodbye to expensive paid ads and cold outreach. Plus, you gain access to proven funnel templates that are designed to scale. They're plug and play, which means you can focus on what you do best, bringing in leads. Let's talk about capturing attention. videngager allows you to create visually stunning video pages that not only engage viewers, but also significantly increase your funnel conversions. You can embed dynamic call to actions directly within your videos, converting passive watchers into active leads and enthusiastic buyers. Communication is vital, so why not stand out with personalized video emails? videngager empowers you to connect on a deeper level, building trust and driving repeat sales effortlessly. The best part? You can replace multiple tools with a single platform that includes video hosting, page creation, and email marketing, all fully integrated. With a real-time analytics dashboard, you can easily track clicks, leads, and sales, optimizing your funnel performance every step of the way. There are no limits with videngager. Create an unlimited number of funnels, pages, and emails, ensuring your growth is truly uninterrupted. Plus, the platform automatically optimizes for mobile, tablet, and desktop, ensuring no lead slips through the cracks, regardless of their device. And if you want continuous engagement, videngager lets you set up automated video follow-ups. This way, you can keep your leads warm until they're ready to buy. Ready for the best part? You can go live with your customized video funnel in under 27 seconds, requiring zero technical skills. It's never been easier to dive into the world of video marketing. So why wait? Get videngager today and unlock exclusive bonuses designed just for you. Click the link in the description below for instant access to this revolutionary platform. Thank you for watching my Videngager review. If you found this information valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your next step in mastering video funnels awaits you with videngager.